What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be doing a quick vlog for you guys. Right now, in back of me, as you guys can see, we're all set up. We're going to be going to the RodeoX event. So if you guys did see me, awesome. If you guys didn't, well, I'm sorry about that. There's always next time, right?
Right.
Heck yeah. Go along with us. We're going to be hitting up some hotels on the way. Today is Thursday. The event is actually on Saturday. So if you guys are interested, of course, make sure to stay tuned where we actually stay at. And we'll kind of take you guys around just to see what we eat, what we do, stuff like that. Because we're not just going to go straight to the event, of course. One thing I do want to let you guys know, just in case you guys are curious, from where I'm at right now, all the way to where I'm going is only about 3.5 hours. But if I were to go straight all the way to San Francisco, which that's where it's at, it'd be about 6 to 8 hours from where I'm at. So we're not going to do that, right? Yeah, I don't want to do that. So we're going to go stop halfway and we're going to hit Solvang. So if you guys have ever been there, it's a freaking awesome town, which once again, we'll show you guys around, show you guys where we're staying and the hotel, stuff like that. And I will show you guys, of course, what we do. So let's go. All right, you guys, so we finally made it to Solvang. It only took about 3 hours to get here. One thing we did want to tell you guys is in the morning, we'll give you guys a couple clips. If you guys have never been here to Solvang, it is an awesome little town to make sure to check out. There's a lot of restaurants, there's a lot of stuff to do, especially if you do like drinking, which I don't drink, but if you do like drinking, this is the place to be.
There's a lot of wineries, wine tastings.
Exactly. And just like I said, it's very scenic. It's a Scottish, Danish. It's a Danish town, so if you guys do know about Danish, you guys will like this for sure. So right now, we're just gonna go ahead and settle inside the hotel. We'll probably show you guys a little bit around, and then we'll catch you guys back in the morning after that. It's gonna be from Thursday all the way to Monday, but keep in mind, our RodeoX event is on Saturday. Stay tuned, we'll see you guys. All right, so for the first little hotel that we stayed at, there's like a little bed here, and then coming upstairs, it's nothing crazy, but it also has a little bed up here. So once again, we're right here in Solvang. If you guys haven't been here, I'd definitely say check it out. It's just like a little Danish town. It's nothing crazy, but the views here are pretty awesome. This hotel is nothing special, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, but it is pretty cool. So stay tuned for the morning. We'll go ahead and show you guys around the town. We're gonna go ahead and eat some food and probably do some things. I have something planned, so if it goes through, you guys will see it here. If not, stay tuned until we get to the next location, which that one is gonna be a little bit better, which you guys will see. And then of course, once again, make sure to stay tuned for Saturday when we do actually hit the event. The RodeoX event is gonna be amazing. It always is every time we've ever been. So I know it's gonna be fun for me, and I hope you guys enjoy watching it. Let's go and have fun.
It's now the next morning, we're eating breakfast, and after we're done, we're gonna head out and get some Danish pastries. So we just stopped at Mortensen's Bakery, as you can see in the back, and we bought a bunch of different types, and we're gonna try them right now, and we'll tell you if they're good or not.
Looks pretty awesome around here. It's once again, it's like a little Danish town, so all the buildings are gonna look like this if you ever do come here. Looks pretty nice. I know there's a bunch of restaurants and like little stores that you can purchase things at, which that's what we're gonna do right now. The one I'm gonna be trying is this bad boy here. I have no idea what it's called, but it looks good. Disgusting. No, I'm just kidding, it's good. Before you try it, you want to describe how it looks?
It's green. It's very green, and I'm scared. But hopefully it's good.
Do you think it's rotten? Is that why it's green?
No, I think it's like matcha or pistachio or something.
What do you describe the look? Does it look awesome?
It looks awesome from this side, and then this side it's not as appetizing, but it's okay because we're still gonna try it, even though I don't like trying new things.
You're gonna try the green side too.
Oh, good.
Okay. So be honest.
What does it smell like? What is it?
It's a weird taste.
So is
It's
it
really
good?
strong. It's okay.
What is it?
I don't even know.
All right, you try it now. Be honest. I did.
It is coconut.
It is
Mhm.
coconut.
It's good, but it's like a weird,
What about the texture?
it's a weird texture. But it's like, cause it's coconut, it's like smushy, so.
How is it?
Smushy?
Describe it.
It's tasty.
Okay, go ahead.
10 out of 10.
Alright, so now that you gave your 10 out of 10 rating for that thing, you rate your green thing.
I don't really like coconut, so I would rate it like a 6 because it was okay. It was a little better than okay. It wasn't nasty, but I don't like coconut.
What about you?
Probably like a 7.
A 7?
Yeah.
Wow.
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 What about yours?
I would say probably a 6. It's good, I don't like the texture. That was weird.
So all in all, they're okay.
Well, now that, if you're ever here, if you want to try them out for yourself, this is just our taste buds, of course, but try them out for yourself. This whole dish that we got here was about $21. Not too bad. They give you a variety, or you can buy them in singles, and they'll be a lot bigger. Make sure to stay tuned, because we're almost hitting the RodeoX Rigs event. It'll be Saturday. Today is Friday. Bye-bye. So if it says flea market, is it a flea market?
No, it's like a thrift store.
So you don't get fleas from there?
No, it's just a secondhand store.
Okay, just checking. Yeah, so after a long day at Solving, just enjoying the town, eating some food and checking it out, we're right here in Ostrich Land. So you guys will see exactly what that is. And then after this, we'll go ahead and start heading to our next hotel, which I think it's towards like Napa Valley, which you guys will then see where we're landing there. But right here behind me, it's gonna be an interesting time. So if you guys are ever out here in Solving, this is a cool little place to check out, especially if you guys have kids. I've been here before and I enjoyed it. So let's see if they like it. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Yes.
Feed some ostrich.
Yes. Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Mm-hmm.
Are you sure? Yeah. Okay, bye. All right, you guys, so now imagine bringing your kids here or anything like that. I mean, they're gonna enjoy it. So check this out. Like all you really do is get the feeder and there you go. So just imagine you have your kids here. They're gonna enjoy this. They're gonna love it. It does get a little scary when there's like 2 of them, so you do gotta be a little careful just so it doesn't eat your hand. So there it is. Heck yeah. You guys having fun?
Yes.
Okay.
And there's baby ones.
And then check out the little babies here. So they do have these, would probably be better for if you have like little kids and you want to feed them, just to be on the safe side. I mean, you don't want your kids getting their hand cut off, but those things are cool. Now, in case you guys are curious as far as pricing, it's really affordable. It's not that expensive. For 4 of us, I paid $28. And then for each bowl, as far as food, if you want to feed them, it's $1 additional per person. So that's not bad at all for you to get some smiles out of your kids, out of your family, have some fun, do something different, right?
Yes.
Heck yeah. Yeah, because I mean, let's be honest. When are you ever going to really get to feed some ostriches? I know where we live, we got no ostriches.
Nope.
So are you having fun?
Birds? Yes, I'm having fun.
Heck yeah. Would you recommend this?
Yes.
Heck
It's
yeah.
cute. It's a little scary at first,
But then
it's cute.
And then tell the girls, what do you not recommend on their nails?
Bright colors.
Yes.
Because I guess they get distracted.
Yes. Look at these little babies over here. Heck yeah. They're just living life.
Yeah.
Look at them. Look at those things up close.
What's up, y'all? Welcome to RodeoX Volume 7 here in Mare Island. You guys come and join us. It's a beautiful fucking day. There's awesome people here, smiles everywhere. I'm Yoda Joe. Woo!
it.